So we are working on demonstration mode, which is based on gestures, where a human can demonstrate to the robot the navigational skills using his body movements. Typically, we do this by mounting a Microsoft Kinect on the robot, looking at the rear side towards the teacher. The teacher can then calibrate himself with the available API for skeleton tracking, and the translation movement of the robot is set when the teacher starts moving forward. The robot tries to maintain a constant distance between the robot and the teacher. To make the robot to move, the teacher turns the steering wheel to the left or to the right to demonstrate to the robot that it needs to turn left or right. If you want to stop the robot, the teacher just clasps his hand to indicate to the robot that this is the stop gesture, and thereby the robot stops. The Kinect is mounted on a servo motor, which is responsible for controlling the gaze of the camera to make sure that the camera always looks at the teacher and not to lose him or her. This typically occurs when the robot is making a sharp turn, so where the teacher is not necessarily aligned directly behind the robot. One instance is if you want to teach a robot to traverse through a door in a corridor. Typically the teacher is not behind the robot. We tested this for checking the ease, the accuracy, and how effective it is to teach this to the robot. We compare this through different experiments, such as going straight, trying to follow a line, or trying to demonstrate different navigational behaviors such as follow a corridor or avoid an obstacle, go to a certain goal, traverse a door, etc. We compare the examples, we compare the data from this demonstration mode with other modes such as using a joystick to control a robot, or through teleoperation, where a human is remotely controlling the robot through an actual steering wheel, but purely looking at the camera output of the robot. From the experiments, we see that the gesture-based demonstration mode generates more smoother results and more intuitive results, thereby allowing even normal users to demonstrate it with ease and at the same time have a lot of fun. Thank you. I think this is good. Yeah.
So we have